Hi everyone and welcome to 24sports.tv. My name is Phyllis and today I'm going to show you a pistol squat on a TRX. This exercise is fantastic. It works all backs of your legs, fronts of your legs, your bum, and because we're going to do a row as well, it's going to work all the problem areas, backs of your arms. It's a beautiful sunny day, so this is a perfect day to get outside and get on a TRX. You can use it anywhere. So what I want you to do, guys, is about 12 to 15 reps and 2 to 3 sets of this exercise, okay? So here we go, guys. Hi guys, this is a pistol squat with a row, okay? So what you do is you get your body in a nice straight line, make sure your core is nice and tight, and you squat down, making sure your bum goes by the heels. And as you come up, you roll your body in, so you work with the backs of your arms. So you squat down and row up. So your hands face forward to squat down, and then they turn on the way up to really pull and row in. With this exercise, it's really important, guys, that you keep all the tension on the straps. You don't want to lose that. You just need to keep all the tension and holding your core. So you need to do about 12 for this exercise, guys. And what you can do as well, which is an advanced movement, start off with that because it's an easy one, but you could do a single legged pistol squat. So all you do, again, back nice and straight, body nice and line, straps held nice and tight, and you just take your left leg, lower your bum to the floor and lift. Lower your bum to the floor and lift. You're looking again to do 12 on each leg on that one, guys. So all the best in that one.